one of the biggest and most complicated organs in the body. The brain made up of around 100 billion nerves that communicate through trillions of synapses. Fats, which are also known as lipids, make up the majority of the weight of your dehydrated brain. Proteins and amino acids, as well as amounts of micronutrients and glucose, can be found in the surviving brain tissue. The total of the brain's nutrient-dense sections is greater than the sum of its components. Every component has a different effect on performance, emotion, durability, and mental ability. What you consume affects not only your physical health, but also your mental health and well-being. Eating properly and a well-balanced meal rich in vegetables and nutrients can make you feel better and improve your mood. Omega-3 and 6 are the powerhouses of brain lipids. These necessary fatty acids, which have been related to the prevention of degenerative brain diseases, must be obtained from food. As a result, eating omega-3 rich foods such as nuts, seeds, and fatty fish is critical for the formation and preservation of living cells. While omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial to the brain, long-term ingestion of other fats such as acid and saturated fats may damage brain function. Meanwhile, proteins and amino acids, which serve as the foundation for growth and development, have an impact on your emotions and behavior. Amino acids are precursors of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transfer data between neurons and have an influence on sleep, emotions, attention, weight, and learning ability. They contribute to the feelings of calm after consuming a large amount of spaghetti or of alertness after eating a protein-rich meal. Food's complex chemical combinations can activate brain cells to release mood-altering norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin. However, getting to your brain cells is difficult, and amino acids must compete for restricted access. A varied diet helps to maintain a balanced blend of brain messages and protects your mood from becoming skewed in one direction or the other. Like the other organs in the body, the brain benefits from a regular supply of micronutrients. Fruits and vegetables include antioxidants that assist the brain in combating free radicals, which destroy brain cells, allowing your brain to operate more effectively for longer periods of time. Brains would be prone to disease and mental decline if we didn't have potent micronutrients like vitamins B6, B12, and folic acid. Iron, copper, zinc, and selenium in small levels are also important for brain care and primary learning and intellectual abilities. The brain requires a lot of fuel in order to efficiently process and synthesize these important nutrients. While the brain only accounts for roughly 2% of our body weight, it consumes up to 20% of the body's energy resources. The majority of your energy comes from carbs, which your body breaks down into glucose or blood sugar. In fact, the frontal cortex is highly sensitive to glucose depletion. How does the sort of carbs we consume affect your brain, assuming you obtain glucose on a regular basis? Carbohydrates are divided into three categories: starch, sugar, and fiber. On most nutrition labels, they're all grouped together as one total carb count. The proportion of sugar and fiber categories to the total quantity has an impact on how the body and brain react. A high glycemic diet, such as sugary soft drinks, induces a quick release of glucose into the bloodstream, followed by a decrease in blood sugar levels. Your attention span and emotions suffer when your blood sugar levels fall. Oats, cereals, and legumes, on the other side, release glucose more slowly, allowing for a more consistent and regular degree of alertness. For long-term brain power, it's vital to have a diversified diet of nutrient-dense foods. When it comes to what you eat, digest, and swallow, the choices you make have a straight and long-term influence on your body's most powerful organ.